The barn was built in 1993 by my father. I got a flyer in the mail, and we'd been looking for a metal roof for 3 years or so. And when I got the flyer, I realized you guys had done metal roofing. So I was thrilled with that, and we started communications, and it was a very smooth process all the way through. Called, got an appointment right away. James came down and met with me, and everything was really smooth. We had a great conversation. RJ was great the whole time. He was here on site the whole time, communicated like 2 weeks beforehand, gave details of what would happen, alerted me to any changes that would happen, like dumpsters arriving early, things like that, which was perfectly fine, but it was really nice that he had that great communication. And they worked a lot of long hours. They were here into the night, finishing up the roof in 2 days. So really impressed. We're ecstatic with the roof. It is gorgeous. It's much nicer looking than the other companies we had worked with. It was a really nice color. We love everything about it. Better than we could have imagined. So go with Klaus Larsen for sure. You guys are excellent company, and we're really, really pleased with the whole process from start to finish.